Yeah, I am Madhura Gokhale from instrumentation background. I did my instrumentation engineering and have been working in this field since last 20 years with oil and gas sector, with food and other in the production, the industrial automation of various. So as we all know, it's like the machines, the maintenance, and the whole process automation itself collects a lot of data over, and it has collected a lot of data over a period of so many years. Now it's time that this data is used correctly for smooth running of the plants, giving a predictive maintenance schedule for all the machinery and all. So this course has helped me a lot to understand about the uh, concepts behind this data analysis and the application of that for the good use of predictive maintenance in my field, and applying this, doing a couple of projects already in the field. It is uh, proving to be of great help. So I look forward to apply it more on different data sets and different industries.